Welcome to Lesson 3 of Term 2 Technology Grade 7 on Action Research. Hey there pals, my name is Bots and I'm here to help you in this lesson's action research. We're going to have so much fun doing all of these practical activities. I can't wait to get started. To begin, you will need paper, glue, tape, paper tubes, and a few books of similar mass. Number 1. Investigate. Materials such as plastic, wood, and steel can be strengthened in many ways. Corrugated cardboard, which is often used in packaging, is an example of how normal paper can be strengthened. In the same way, many other materials can be shaped to become stronger. In this activity, we will investigate how materials can be strengthened by tubing, by folding, and triangulation. Number 2. Instructions. 2.1. Read through the entire research task before you start. 2.2. You will then make and test paper tube structures that have been strengthened in different ways. 2.3. Before you begin, copy the evaluation table on the facing page into your workbook. Complete the column estimated load the beam can carry first. Point 3. Method. Practical activity 1. Stiffen a structural material by tubing. 3.1. Roll a sheet of paper into a tube. 3.2. Secure the ends with tape. 3.3. Stand the structure vertically on a firm structure. 3.4. Gently rest one book on the surface. 3.5. Add another book and see how many books the structure will support before collapsing. 3.6. Record your observations in the evaluation table. Now let's move on to practical activity 2, where we stiffen a structural material by folding. This activity requires you to fold a rectangular shape and an L-beam structure. Figures 2 and 3 give instructions for how to fold each. Fold a sheet of paper into wide and 3 narrow sections. Make sure there are 2 wide sections and 3 narrow sections. Stick the folder sections down with glue or tape, and now follow steps 3 to 6 as in practical activity 1. Fold the paper to form 2 wide and 3 narrow sections as shown in the image in figure 2, where we stiffen a structural material by folding it into a rectangular shape. Fold the paper to form an L-beam. It has 5 sections, 3 wide and 2 narrow, and it is shown in the picture of figure 3, where we stiffen a structural material by folding it into an L-beam. Moving on to practical activity 3, where we stiffen a frame structure by triangulation. Make a box frame from paper tubes. Join the structural members with tape. Insert struts to create triangles. Use the corner joints or the gussets to support the frame edges, and now follow steps 3 to 6 as in practical activity 1. The figures below show step 1, 2, and 3, and figure 5 shows a stiffened frame structure by triangulation. Now to point 4 for the results. Observe the results of your tests and complete the table below. And point 5 on conclude and evaluate. Answer the following questions in your workbook. 5.1. Which structure was able to carry the most books? 5.2. Explain from your observations what made the strongest structure. And that's it for this lesson. See you later, pals.